Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to turn off toggle keys on Windows 11. So guys, just you have to follow some easy steps. Start, then settings. In left side panel, find out accessibility, click on it. Now underneath interaction, left click on keyboard. Now here's the option toggle keys. Play a sound when you press caps number key or scroll lock key. So to turn off, just slide to off. So this way guys, you can turn off toggle keys, and you can turn off to play a sound when you press caps number key or scroll lock key. Thanks for watching guys, and please comment in this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.